This is the oldest house of this village, and she's saying it's around 120 years, I guess. Once again, we are here at Suwakholi village, and this time we skip the route of Dhanolti and we turn to Mussoorie Uttarkashi bypass route, and this route will lead us to Rohtu Ki Beli. And this is a small village and popular for Uttarakhand's Paneer Ka Gaon, Uttarakhand's cheese village, and I will tell you why we call it cheese village. Yeah.
Okay, so the road is getting narrow here, and
cameraman Nawab
is driving
driving, and I'm super surprised to see him driving.
always behind the wheel and the camera.
so we are about to reach Rohtu Ki Beli.
And we have been here many times. Always curious to know why the name is Rohtu Ki Beli. This time
Yeah.
we'll find it out why the name is Rohtu Ki Beli. The village is quite beautiful.
बहुत सुंदर विलेज है, बहुत
और-
तारीफें सुनी है मैंने और देखा भी है.
और
During sunset.
कुछ एंगल से लगता भी नहीं गाँव. आई थिंक थोड़ा मॉड लगता है.
तो आइए चले देखते हैं कैसा है ये
रोहतू
गांव.
की बेली.
Let's go to Rohtu Ki Beli. So guys, we reached near to Rohtu Ki Beli, and just behind me that is Rohtu Ki Beli. So I'm going to take you there. It's lovely.
And the bhaiya is plucking radish for us from his farmland. This medium-sized village has a total population approx 1100 to 1200 people. He offered us radish from his farmland.
नहीं, आप क्या करते हो वैसे? मेन काम क्या है आपका?
खेती बाड़ी.
है ना? सही चलता है? सही चल रहा ना काम? आपका गांव तो काफी सुंदर है.
After when they welcomed us, we left it for a village to take a brief look inside. Let's go into the details.
So finally we discovered why Rohtu Ki Beli is called
रोहतू की बेली.
Rohtu Ki Beli, because it is inherited by Rawats.
Rohtu is a surname. Actually not Rohtu. It's Rawat. जिसे तोड़ के रोहतू कर दिया गया है. तो रोहतू मतलब रावत और बेली मतलब गांव. That is why it is रोहतू की बेली, मतलब रावतों का गांव. The village is Rawat's village.
Rawats village.
This village comes in district Tiri, but the nearest town to this village is Mussoorie.
This medium-sized village in Uttarakhand is very popular because it is also called the cheese village of Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड का पनीर वाला गांव.
Yes, so
And the reason behind it, because the main business of this village is to make cheese.
yeah. So guys, let's go and rob the cheese.
भागो!
Now here is the close view of the village, and the surname of Rawat and Gadwal populate this village for the very first time. It is true that this village known as Uttarakhand's cheese village because the main business of this village's people is to make cheese. Almost every house of this village is doing this business, but we cannot deny that the main source of earning of this village is farming. In the night time they make cheese, but in their daytime they do farming.
बच्चों नाम बताओगे कैमरे में अपने? बताओ।
संध्या
संध्या। और तुम्हारा?
केशव
केशव। केशव कौन सी क्लास में हो?
दो में
यहाँ हो ना इधर आप मेरे पास आओ।
3 में
So guys, this is Keshav, sweet little kid of village. And Sandhya. टाटा करो। बताओ।
क्या नाम है बेटा? अनस भाई? So the girl beside Rashid saying that this is the oldest house of this village, and she's saying it's around 120 years, I guess. परदादा के ज़माने का गांव है. तो बच्चों ने हमें यहाँ पे एंटरटेन किया और सब रेडी हैं हमारे संग वीडियो बनाने के लिए. यू कैन सी क्यूट एंड इनोसेंट फेसेस. या एंड लुक एट द स्ट्रक्चर, दिस आर्क, द पेंटिंग.
The wood is amazing, yeah. It is.
And this is wood. Yes, this is
Tough
wood.
Very tough wood. It goes long and long.
And on the floor you can see the mitti ka lep. The floor is made from mitti.
अब इसमें मिट्टी लगती है ज़्यादा ना?
हाँ. You can see the little small train here. 1, 2, 3 dabba. What I'm gonna show you is this pathal. This पत्थर called pathal. और माना जाता है कि इसमें गर्मी और सर्दी को नियंत्रित करने की क्षमता होती है. इसीलिए पुराने ज़माने में गांव में जो घर बनाए जाते थे वो इसी को इस्तेमाल करते थे अपने घरों की छतें बनाने के लिए, ताकि टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहे, लोगों को ना ज़्यादा गर्मी लगे ना ज़्यादा सर्दी लगे. अब ये मिलता नहीं आसानी से, मतलब मैं चोर सकती हूँ उसे पर मिलेगा नहीं. खूब છે સ્વસ્થ પાણી? खूब છે तुम? क्या છે तुम्हारी उम्र? बैसा महीना? बैसा महीना? तारीख? बैसाख का महीना. तारीख? हाँ 16 तारीख. तुम जवान से लगता अभी भी भाई. जवान लगणू यार मैं भाई. फिट छा तुम, फिट एकदम टिच लगना.
Very fit.
This is a beautiful village. We had a good interaction with the people of the villages now. Namaste uncle.
Now we are back again into the farms. They have huge land for farming. Everyone's farm is connected to other person's farm. That is why the land of farming looks huge. They cultivate seasonal vegetables like dal, rice, wheat, ginger, garlic, onion, green chili, radish, potatoes, and let's take a look into the potatoes farm.
अरे तो तुम खोदोगे जितने आलू तुम खोदोगे राखी को सारे हमारे फ्रेश आलू बोरा आई गॉट इट नहीं वो पुराना है वो लगा रखा पहले का और उसके बाद फिर शोरत कट्टा के राखी को उतार के ये मिल गया
लग रहा है ना आंटी मैं खो सकता हूँ
After cultivating, they send all these things to Mussoorie and Dehradun market to sell it off. One can come to their village and buy these things from them directly. We were really blessed because the warm-hearted people of this village did not take money from us for the vegetables we bought from them. They were so happy to give their things just like that. So we are done with the today's vlog and we are going home. Watch all videos, do subscribe and share. We see you in the next video guys. Till then keep watching our channel. Take care. Bye bye.